manufacturing is widely considered the cornerstone of the U.S. economy. It employs a large percentage of all workers in the U.S. and creates demand for workers in other industries that support manufacturing, like transportation and agriculture. There are nearly 250,000 manufacturers across the U.S. Manufacturers take materials and parts, use machines, robots, or hand tools to make the products we use. They make everything from commercial products, such as concrete, metals, chemicals, and machinery, to personal products like computers, cars, clothing, toys, and even food and beverages. The Advanced Manufacturing Career Cluster integrates the use of automation, artificial intelligence, or AI, and data analytics to improve efficiency, ensure high-quality products, reduce waste, and ensure safety. There's also a growing emphasis on sustainability and ethical production practices. There is enormous need for workers with advanced technical skills to support growth in this cluster. Some experts predict that 2.1 million manufacturing jobs could go unfilled by 2030 due to skill shortages, a major challenge for this cluster. Quick facts. High-growth sectors in advanced manufacturing include pharmaceuticals, electronics, and aerospace, offering excellent job opportunities. Advanced manufacturing jobs typically pay significantly more than the national average across all industries. More than 93% of U.S. manufacturing companies are smaller businesses, employing fewer than 100 workers each. Every dollar spent in manufacturing generates more than $2.50 in total economic activity, making it one of the sectors with the most significant multiplier impact. Whatever your career direction, you can find options that fit. Keep exploring at CareerOneStop.org/explorecareers.